Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Heto po si Danica TV at nagbabalik muli. Ngayong araw po magkakaroon po tayo ng reading about sa third party situation. Titignan po natin na maigi for today's reading kung ano po ang mga interferences between you and your partner at kung ano po ang mga iniisip at mga nararamdaman niya tungkol sa'yo at ganun din po tungkol sa third party, okay? At sa inyo pong harapan, katulad po ng dati, meron po tayong dalawang piles na maaari nyong pagpilian. Ito po ang pile 1, a cute little turtle. Okay. At ito naman po ang pile 2. A small keychain from Paris. Tower Eiffel. Okay. Okay. So, katulad po ng dati, maaari lamang po kayong mamili ng alinman sa dalawa. Meron din po tayong inihandang timestamps dyan lang po sa ating description box. Anytime na ready na po kayo sa ating reading, pwede na po kayong mag-jump dyan lang po sa ating timestamps na inihanda. Maaari na po tayong mag-umpisa sa ating pile 1. Atin po munang itatabi ang pile 2 dito sa gilid. Hello pile 1, ito na po ang inyong pile na napili. A cute small turtle porcelain. Nice. Okay. So ganito po ang gagawin natin for today. Ngayong reading po, we will divide the cards into 2 sections. At gagamitin po natin itong cards na ito para sa inyong reading. At ito naman pong cards na ito ay para sa third party. Okay? And let's start. Let's start with your cards. Cards. Oh. Cards. Ano po ang iniisip at nararamdaman ng partner ni pile 1 kay pile 1? Okay. Tingnan natin to. Okay. 4 of Swords. Okay. Four of Wands. And Temperance. Temperance card. Okay. Two of Wands. The Chariot. And the Hermit. Okay. Ace of Wands. Okay. Lagay lang natin ito ng maayos, itong mga cards mo, pile 1. Itong mga cards nyo. And here. We'll put it here. Okay, tignan naman natin ang cards ng ating third party. Cards, ano ang nararamdaman ng partner ni pile 1 dun sa third party? Madami. Okay. Cards. 10 of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles, Six of Swords. Okay. Hierophant, Four of Swords, and the Temperance. Okay, let's see, last card, and the Chariot. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Nasagi natin ang camera. Okay. Adjust natin ang camera upang makita nyo ng maigi yung cards. Okay. Ayan. So, right now, pile 1. Nakikita ko dito na merong pause sa relationship ng dalawa ng partner mo ngayon. With our Four of Swords here, nakikita ko dito na wala kayong contact sa isa't isa right now. And maaring ang ilan sa inyo ay kasal na dito sa taong ito. With the Four of Wands here, nakikita ko dito some celebration happened in the past. So, maaring ang ilan sa inyo is kasal na dito sa taong ito. Okay lang kung hindi kasi maring in the nobyo or nobya phase pa lang kayo, pero nandun na merong nagbabalak ng ikasal, ganon. But suddenly merong nangyari and nagkaroon ng break, ng pause sa relationship na ito. I see here na merong isang napagod at nagtago sa relationship na to, ayaw na lang umimek with the Hermit card here. And someone here ayaw mo nang makipag-usap tungkol sa relationship na ito, na medyo nagkaroon ng pause nga. I see here na your person is missing you, is missing your presence with the Two of Wands here. Nakatingin siya sa malayo and nandun na he is thinking a lot about you. Namimiss niya yung mga masasayang alaala nyo together. Nandito na, gusto niyang bumalik. Yes, pile 1. Gusto niyang bumalik. Okay, so gusto niyang bumalik with the Chariot card here. Kasi bilis ng Chariot. You know, the Chariot in the movies? Yes, yon. And he wants to renew the relationship with the Ace of Wands here. Kasi nandito na, he's in love with you. Ikaw talaga yung mahal niya, pile 1. Nandito na, he only feels the passion in you and not to other else, to other woman, to other men. Okay? Sa'yo lang talaga, pile 1. I see here na, with the Temperance card here, may chance na maaring maayos itong relationship na ito in the future. Okay? Basta tamang timing lang and tamang diskarte. Maring maayos itong relationship na ito. And to the other party naman, I see here na when you're on pause together, habang nasa pause kayo ng relationship na ito, this woman, nakita niya na meron siyang opportunity sa iyong partner, and she grabs it. She grabs this opportunity to be with your partner, okay? Ito matagal na itong magkakilala eh. Pile 1. This woman and your partner, matagal na silang magkakilala. Maring katrabaho, maring circle of friends, maring friends. More like katrabaho. Or kakilala. Pile 1. Nararamdaman ko it's more like katrabaho or kakilala. Nakita niya dito na naghiwalay kayo, meron kayong konting turbulence sa relationship, and he comes or she comes advising your partner. Nandun na, dumidikit na siya sa partner mo. Yes, nandun na, inaakit niya na siya and giving advices, giving money, giving everything she can. Okay? Your partner, at first, he thinks, okay to okay tong babaeng ito, sabi niya. And let's see, tignan natin, wala namang masama kung mag-search muna tayo, sabi niya, sabi ng partner mo. And ayun, he thought everything is nasa kanya na. Nung una, ganun yung iniisip niya, parang nasa kanya na lahat itong katangian na hinahanap niya. Pero habang tumatagal, nakikita niyo yung tunay na ugali at napapangitan na siya. From 10 of Pentacles to 5 of Pentacles, bumaba yung pagtingin ng partner mo sa third party na ito. It means hindi siya ganon na-impress dito sa babaeng ito. And the Six of Swords here, nakikita ko na merong nag-uumpisang mga issue. And he didn't like it. He really didn't like it. This person, nililibang niya ang sarili niya. He's not completely into this third party. While the woman is giving everything she can para makuha yung partner mo. But wala, hindi talaga na-impress. At the end of the day, hindi siya na-impress. Hindi na-impress yung partner mo. And so, nakikita ko dito, someone here might consider a relationship with this woman, but hihiwalayan din niya. With the Four of Swords here, nakita ko dito na hihiwalayan din niya itong woman na ito. Kasi, he's not really impressed and hindi talaga siya ganun na fall sa babaeng ito. Sa una lang kasi nagpakitang tao lang tong babaeng to. But at the end of the day, nasa sayo pa rin. Nasa sayo pa rin yung kalooban niya. Pile 1. Okay, pile 1. Ayan lang po ang ating reading for today. I hope you like our reading and I hope I can see you again in our next video. Thank you. Bye! Atin ang itatabi ang ating pile 1 dito sa gilid. And let's start with our pile 2. Hello pile 2, ito na po ang iyong cards na napili. Cute Tower Eiffel keychain. Yes, this is the pile you choose today. And let's see, what is your reading for today, pile 2? So, pile 2, ganito po ang magiging reading natin for today, no? Our reading will be divided into 2 sections. Your section and the third party section. And we will use this card for you and this card for the other third party, okay? Pile 2. And let's start. Let's start from your card. And let's see your reading. Cards. Anong iniisip at nararamdaman ng person ni pile 2 sa kanya right now, kay pile 2? Ace of Cups, Seven of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, Five of Cups, the Hermit, Ten of Wands, and the Three of Swords. Okay. Now, let's see the third party's card. Queen of Cups. Seven of Pentacles. And the Six of Cups. The Justice. Nine of Wands. And the Two of Swords. And lastly, Nine of Pentacles. Okay, pile 2. Nakikita ko dito that in the past, you were both madly in love with each other. With the Ace of Cups here, nandito na minahal nyo ang isa't isa. However, merong nagtaksil. At some point, merong nagtaksil. And nakita ko dito na yung partner mo, he two-timing you. Nag-two-time siya. Pinagsabay niya kayong dalawa. And nakikita ko ngayon with this card here na nasa harapan natin, nakikita ko na hirap ang partner mo ngayon kung nasaan man siya naroon. Because hindi niya minahal yung third party. Pile 2. Hindi niya minahal yung third party. Isa lang tong kasangkapan. Isang someone na may kinalaman sa money. Nagpautang maybe. Or maybe inakit gamit ng pera. Pile 2. Or maybe someone related to money. And this person, maaaring may obligasyon pa siya dito sa third party na ito. Or maaaring nagkaroon sila ng anak. Basta merong something na kailangan niyang gampanan dito sa third party na ito. I see here na with the Seven of Pentacles, kailangan niyang mag-provide or basta kailangan niyang magbigay ng pera. Who knows, baka utang yon or baka sustento, who knows. Or it might be na inaakit ng babaeng to yung partner mo gamit ng pera. Pile 2. I see here with the Nine of Pentacles and Justice card, I see here that he doesn't have a choice. Nandun na wala siyang choice. With the Six of Cups here, nakikita ko, he is someone she knew from the past. Or she is someone he knew in the past, okay? Ito yung nag-cause sa inyo ng heartbreak ng partner mo. Dahil hindi niya to sinabi sa'yo. Someone kept a secret here. At hindi niya ito sinabi sa'yo, pile 2. Nandun na nasira ang relationship nyo dahil dito sa taong ito. Dito sa taong ito. And right now, he feels very poor. Wala siyang choice talaga. With the Nine of Wands here, nandito na sobrang sugatan siya. And sobrang hirap na siya sa sitwasyon niya. He wants to come back and offer you something stable, okay? Pile 2 with the Knight of Pentacles here, nandito na gusto niyang magbalik sa side mo and mag-offer sa'yo ng pag-ibig uli. Nandito na nakikita ko sobrang nagsisisi siya sa mga ginawa niya in the past. Pile 2. Nandun na, nakatingin pa rin siya sa cups na natumba at hindi dun sa dalawang cups na nasa harapan niya right now. Nandun na sobrang pagsisisi ang nararamdaman niya right now. And ngayon, hindi na lang siya umiimik sa kung nasaan man siya naroon. kung sino man ang kasama niya ngayon, hindi niya to iniimikan. With the Hermit card here, nandito na tahimik na lang siya sa sitwasyon. And iniisip niya na maaring karma na to. Karma na to para sa kanya, pile 2. Maaring in the future, posibleng makabalik siya sa side mo, pile 2. But mahirapan siyang makawala dito sa third party na ito. But nandun na kakayanin niya pile 2. Yes. And ayan. Yeah. It might take some time but he will definitely come back. Okay, pile 2. Okay. Ayan lang po ang ating reading for today. I hope nagustuhan niyo po ang video na ito and I hope I can see you again in our next video. Thank you. Bye.